For Fruit Loops.
Look at below.
It's a dark fish.
Invisible.
Hey, it's TV. Wait, where? Over there, right there.
There's the bus, man. Look at these bus, man.
Stop looking at my phone.
Look at those jorts, man. Look at those jorts, dude. Turbo is real.
Well, look at this. Stupid.
And they tell you what days they have the interview.
Yep.
And then you can go from there.
Yeah, electricity.
And that's what I did. I filled out the application and I called the number and they said, oh, orientation is on this day. So, interview, open interview.
Never you gotta keep it stocked, man. Why? You got the money, get some ribs, some stuff.
That's like a special occasion for me. Whenever we have like family over, like a party or something.
Patty?
No, chicken curry. One of the dishes that we gotta cook.
Jorts, boy.
No, I'm looking at that thing that's popping out. Look at those jorts, man. There's a hole, man. Those jorts, man. Look at those jorts, dude.
Hey, how come I don't have my sack filter? Hey, look at this one.
These are all-
I fucking love donuts, man. Donut holes.
It's like Cambodia said. Yeah, it's actually the store that sells mini guns.
It isn't but
That's from like, I don't know what district.
Hey, look at below.
Probably like
Bilal. Hey, Bilal. Bilal.
What's up?
Thank you, sir. Okay.
Thank you.
Have fun.
What?
Fight.
He said he wants to fight. Look it. It's close, so we go home.
Bro, I'm saying, bro, it's competitive.
Over there, yeah, over there. Well, cool. Welcome to the California State Railroad Museum, guys. My name's Billy. I'm a park aide here, so basically I get paid to play with trains all day. It's a pretty cool job. Can't go wrong with that. I'll also let you guys know a couple real quick things before we get you started, too. First of all, our museum is 2.5 acres. We have over 20 full-size train cars and locomotives you can see, too, so there's tons of stuff to see. I need you guys to stick with your groups at all times, just so we don't have people getting lost when you guys are trying to leave and, you know, we gotta go hunting everyone down kind of thing. So just stick with your groups, make sure you guys don't get lost. It's a big museum again, so it's totally possible to happen. Please don't run inside the museum. I'm really
Can we go in the train?
But maybe walking.
Can I ask?
Yeah, walking
Should I
inside
ask?
just something you
Should I
can
ask?
fall
Told it.
please don't climb the trains if that wasn't obvious.
you can get in the train, I think, right?
As far as you can go inside, that's
Oh,
true.
yeah?
But please don't climb on the trains. That's the main cause of injury amongst the dads of our students who come in here. So that goes for the chaperones too. Please don't climb the trains, guys. Appreciate it. You guys are done with the museum. Make sure you save the museum store for last if you guys are going to go in there. So save that for your last stop.
the train.
Once you go beyond this point here, you don't have in and
get
out
a Thomas
privileges to
the
come back
Train.
in. Don't mean the burger place in and out, but in and out with the museum. So burgers do sound pretty good right now. Yeah, so yeah, once you're beyond this point, you come back in, so make sure you save that for last. On the third floor, we have over $1 million worth of model trains on display up there. And about to break a few hearts here, guys. There's also a Thomas and Chuggington toy train table set up there. Kind of have you guys
They're
play
for
with that
you,
while you're up
right?
there, okay?
So
Hey, let's steal them.
I know, I'm sorry, guys.
He wants the Thomas.
Oh, yeah? I got you.
You got this.
Light and pattern. Light and then push red button. Hold down. Same time push the blue button. Right there. No, what? This yellow and blue, this one. And blue means means that equipment is being worked on.
And stop. Ooh. Pretty.
Yeah.
Do the hand signal. Please do not touch the paint. Said do not touch the paint. Did you just say Brandon's family? That's messed up. That's like a messed up.
Dude, we're the last ones out here.
So?
Jupiter. Oh my god.
Damn, this place was small and the outside. Look at inside.
It's 2 acres.
Look at big.
Whoa, what is that?
You ready to go to the Harry Potter world? You ready to go to Harry Potter world?
Oh, dude, that's a little creepy.
What are you laughing at? It's nothing to laugh at.
Look at that. I'm focusing. Boy, you have to go down. Hey, Brian.
100.
Good move. Good work.
Wait, what? Oh. They use that freaking that hold and touch face detection on that thing. That's like a mess. Oh man.
We need to hurry up. It's not lit anymore. It's just us.
World. Ah!
Hey!
Dude, shut up. Shit, it's actually over there. And what look at that?
Hi.
So these two dummies here, they're actually patterned after real people. Actually, all of our dummies are. And they have the faces of real people.
That's pretty scary.
It's a little creepy, but it's also kind of nice.
Do they come alive at night?
That's what we keep saying, like, be here at midnight or all.
Not in the museum. The crew.
This motherfucker right there.
Yeah. Y'all want some magic tricks? Yeah.
Oh.
Yeah. Make me suck dick on video.
Yo.
You can sit in there at home.
Hey, come on, get me.
What's this? 2069? 2064. Since 1945. Ooh.
Let's go back. Liar.
220 miles per hour.
Entrance to sleepers? That's us. The entrance to sleepers? That's us. Where is he? Where are we going?
This is not stairs.
Right there, dummy.
Where are we going? The sign said it's us.
Should have worked.
Ah,
Yo, that's not working.
this thing doesn't work. This camera's tight. Anti-glare.
This is me right here. I was rapping out here. You didn't hear me?
Take a picture of that, dude.
My name is Brian. I'm crying and trying.
My name is Brian, I'm crying.
Yeah, y'all niggas so ugly, I can't even bear. Yeah, these bitches stare. Looking at the glare off his glasses, don't even care.
Oh. Oh, true. That's fingerprint.
Because he doesn't know what he said.
Mine's the Ultra HD.
See? Dummy, you gotta listen.
Okay, we about to go on a train. Free train ride.
Mess up hair too.
We about to eat good too. From the company, of course. The company. Shout out to the company for sponsoring us. Yeah. Look at those other schools thinking that they're better than us because they're not from soccer.
It's just only us, right? It's just us.
Watch out. Man, my heart dropped, man.
See that?
Hey, bro, she doing the pee dance.
I know. I couldn't climb up on the roof.
Rich, I'm the car attendant. If you have any questions, please feel free to ask. We just have a few rules. Number one is, it's hot out, you can drink water, but no other liquids.
I thought it was the window where I was shooting.
Make a riding, watch your step.
Circumcised.
Parents be like,
Easy.
wait, dude, wait first.
Yeah, I am. Ooh. We're out. What? You trying to rap? The what? That sounds good, bro.
No, we don't. I don't want to walk this out.
Kites, joggers, windmills. Windmills and the criminals and the criminals. You know what I mean?
I'm gonna give me a water gun. I got some Xannies.
Trying to rap. Candy Heavens. Where you guys going? Okay.
Candy shop. Is this the right one? I like that. We're on camera, so put them on camera.
Oh my
Smile,
god.
you're on camera. Well, you too.
Candy.
Candy.
Oh no, they got it.
I got a Snapchat.
I freaking.
I think you're talking about being
You can have a sample or two from either blue signs or the taffy in the back.
I'm gonna push you, Brian. How you like that, huh? You want to fight? Ah! Oh, not that thing. Hey, S2K.
Nice car, man.
How much?
How much?
You know, out here we about to get a cut. You know, right here.
Yep.
Right here. See?
Old Sack Barbers.
16A, open, gang gang.
Thumbnail.
Yeah, about to get a cut. Don't know how much it is though. Oh, they closed right now. Man, they closed. Oh, they open. Never mind. It's just hot out. That's why. You know. Going back on the bus. You know. We out. We back on the bus.
Mr. Rice never texted me back.
Hey, Mr. Rice.
Oh, yeah?
Yo, it's dark in here. Man, we got the back.
What happened?